Boil the eggs for 10 minutes.
Things you're gonna need: 1 quart glass jar, salt 2 tablespoons, sugar 2 tablespoons, garlic 4 cloves or 1 tablespoon minced garlic, red pepper flakes 1 tablespoon. This is optional. A jalapeno sliced and put into the jar, and 1 tablespoon of Tabasco sauce. Dump all the hot water out. You're gonna add cold water and 1 cup of ice.
Let that cool down for about 10 minutes.
We got our Tabasco, 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of salt, minced garlic, jalapenos, red pepper flakes, and white distilled vinegar. Next, we're gonna put them all into this glass jar. Add all the ingredients in here. There goes the Tabasco and everything else. Now we're gonna add, make sure that garlic gets in there. Trying to hold back. All right. And now we're gonna add the vinegar. Shut the jar. You don't have to refrigerate this. And that's it. I'm gonna add some more vinegar there. Comes up to the rim. All right, let it sit. Shake it every hour a little bit. Make sure it's shooken up. And usually about few days, they taste really great. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up.